Very sad news ni igomeire Kameme top presenter ndeto itigite macambiki na iroreria Karavisheni ya Kameme TV na kimako kinene thutha wa DJ Wigato no rio tabanagia show ya kurekereria kodi me hamwe na Wangari wa Macharia kumbura ndeto yake hakinene na DJ Karis Kenya ni akorwa kiumbura ndeto ciatika mafans make mena kieha oho magicokeria Ngai ngatho nyingi kurumira kiundu kiria DJ uyu atunganite na kio mbere ya ndeto eno riu hari mutino muru muno wa barabara wahanikaga mutino ria watiga Kenya ingi na maithoriruo na kigiriko magicakaya ikuo cia andu aria marikitie gute mioyo yao kurumira mutino uyu uria hanikite mwena wa Kirinyaga county Gicuku thutha wa kirori giki gute mwerekera na gucibika ruini rwa Nyamidi daraca-ini ya Kiamatugu guthii Gituba mutino muru muno uria wacungiriria andu manyihiire atatu gukua hau na mihango ya gwethana na mwiri wa mundu umwe uria utanonekana hau igithie na mbere bica ici ikionania the scene of accident ari kirori crashing down into river Nyamidi andu na fraternity yothe ya Kiamatugu gitigwo na kiha kinene for losing their loved ones. Katrina Kuya gitaka ya gutigwo ni classmate yake, rest in peace classmate. It's sad how we struggle so much for a life that can end anytime. Crying emoji hii imenihit aki to the Kiamatugu fraternity. We have lost a gentleman. Condolences to this family. Pole sana, tukimwira pole sana oho tugatuma pole citu kuri family iria ciahutio kana ciatigwo ni andu ao. Poleni sana for this painful sudden loss. It's our deepest condolences to all these families. Nayo mioyo ya andu aya ege na kihuruko gitathiraga na ndeto yatiga Kameme fraternity na kia kingi thutha wa DJ Karis Kenya kumbura ahonoka gikuo ciarera thutha wa ngari yake kugera mutino muru wa barabara. Very tragic accident. Ndeto iria imutigite na kimako kinene indi agicokeria Ngai ngatho nyingi ni undu wa kumuhonokia whereby he came out of this accident and hurt. Haria thutha wa Karis kurekereria ndumiriri ino yake ng'enda-ini ciake, ndumiriri ihahurite mafans make akiuga if it had not been the Lord on my side where would I be? Crying emoji. Thank you Lord, you saved me. Bica ici cia ngari yake showing how tragic was the accident involving Kameme's presenter DJ Karis Kenya. On the way, thanking God for saving DJ Karis from this accident. Aini his fellow colleagues ona mafans make makiumeria kuheana pole ciao oho na gucokeria Ngai ngatho matongoretio ni Makombe Pilot 254 akiuga pole sana bro Kenyanya PK Karite original Jose Art Goni wa Thwita onake akiuga pole sana, glad you are okay. Onake Muini Karango wa Muraya akiheana pole ciake oho na his fellow DJs makiumeria na gutuma pole ciao. DJ Chris Tyrus akiuga glad you are well sana, may God continue protecting you always. DJ Max 254 akiuga pole sana baba, God akusaidie, nothing can come in between.